My name's Gurnham Singh. I'm Associate Professor of Sociology at the University of Warwick, and I came here today to give a keynote on the Dr Singh Sarabha Memorial Lecture, the first one at this university. I think one of the key messages is the way in which history often only tells the story of the victor. And in this lecture I wanted to uncover the story of a young person who actually only lived to the age of 19, but in a very short period was able to engage in a very powerful liberation movement that was about freeing India from British imperialism.
Why I love my course and love university in general is about getting away from the Eurocentric Western perspective that we're taught in high school and primary school. University really gives us an opportunity to delve into histories and narratives, or even different perspectives that we just don't get taught about because of the curriculum and stuff. So to take opportunities like these is really important and really rewarding to learn about these narratives and these oppressed histories.
I think what was brilliant about the discussion was the quality of the questions that the students asked, and also the passion and the concern that they had for kind of justice, really, for addressing some of the problems with colonialism. And in fact the whole debate then came round to this question of decolonising the curriculum, decolonising the university, and I see some really interesting thoughts there and lots of passion and commitment.
And one of the reasons we set up this event was to foreground stories that aren't usually told, and perspectives and places in the world where the stories are usually very Eurocentric and very whitewashed. And this is just to get away from that and listen to academics who look at the world in a more post-colonial perspective.